As I've said, is it okay to do cold email with multiple inboxes of the same domain? Yeah, but remember, it's the domain health that matters. So if you are sending multiple emails out, or if you're sending emails from one domain, but just different accounts, different email accounts on the same domain, you're still kind of you're still adding to the overall domain limitations, or whatever the sending limitations. So just keep that in mind. I mean, I've not tested with that. I know you can do it, because I know that some people do. I think even HyperKey, which is the company that does cold emailing and appointment setting for Semantic Links, my white label link building agency, I think they do 2 email accounts per sending domain. I might be incorrect about this, but I seem to remember having a chat with Attaché, the guy who runs that company, because we have a meeting once a month, the first Wednesday of every month. And I believe that he says he does 2 emails per sending domain. So 2 email accounts per sending domain. I only do one, but you can test with it if you'd like. But just keep in mind, remember, it's the domain health that matters, not the specific email address. So if you burn a domain, you're going to burn all of those accounts. And the more accounts you have on one sending domain, the more likely it is to burn the domain. So just keep that in mind.